How to get Soundboard in Gorilla Tag No PC. This tutorial will guide you through the process of installing a Soundboard mod for Gorilla Tag on your Oculus headset using the SideQuest app. The Soundboard will enhance your gameplay by allowing you to play various sound effects, making the experience more enjoyable and customizable. Visit the SideQuest website. Type sidequestvr.com. Download the appropriate version for your operating system like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Follow the installation instructions specific to your operating system. Launch SideQuest after installation. Open the Oculus app on your mobile device. Navigate to the settings and select your headset. Enable developer mode from the headset options. Use a USB cable to connect your Oculus headset to your computer. Allow USB debugging on your headset when prompted. Open SideQuest and check for a green dot in the top left corner indicating a successful connection. In SideQuest, search for the Soundboard mod for Gorilla Tag. Locate the correct mod from the available options. Click on the Install button for the Soundboard mod. Wait for the installation to complete, which should be indicated by a message in SideQuest. Disconnect your headset from the computer and put it on. Open Gorilla Tag from your library. Once in-game, navigate to the Settings menu, find the Soundboard settings to customize your sound effects, choose from the available sound clips or upload your own. Test the sounds to ensure they play correctly. You have now successfully installed and configured the Soundboard mod for Gorilla Tag on your Oculus headset using SideQuest. Enjoy customizing your gameplay with various sound effects. For further enhancements, consider exploring more mods or checking community forums for new sounds and tips. Happy gaming!